Sometimes when you're searching, you focus so much on the home that you completely forget about the area. But relax. Here, both the house and the area, totally amazing. Hey beautiful people, Andrew the Realtor here, and a warm welcome to 330 Sparrow Circle here in the High Bush area of Pickering. So nestled in this really quiet area just west of Altoona Forest is this amazing neighborhood. It's incredibly safe and family friendly, so much so that other neighborhoods in the area come here to trick or treat. That's how nice it is. And as far as amenities, you've got the forest with great walking trails just 100 feet away and parks all around. Right down the street is one of those parks. Speaking of schools, you've got a public and a Catholic school within walking distance. You've got the bus stop at the corner. To the south, you've got Kingston Road and the 401, less than 5 minutes away. And to the north, you've got Highway 7 and 407, less than 10 minutes. In between, you've got stores, restaurants, and a walking clinic. Literally everything is nearby. Okay, enough of a location. Let's talk about the house. On the way in, you'll notice a private driveway and a one-car garage. A few steps up, you enter the first of the two main living rooms in the area. Currently used as a family room, this room can easily be switched to a living room and dining room combination. On one side, you got the gas fireplace and the walkout to the balcony with gas hookup for barbecue reasons. On the other side, you got a well-placed two-piece bathroom and the entrance to the kitchen. The updated kitchen is spacious enough for you to prep and cook whatever you like, make breakfast for your family, or maybe sit down by yourself and have a cup of coffee in the morning. Upstairs, the spacious theme continues with a simple and functional layout. You got two large bedrooms, a wide hallway, the main bathroom, and a very nice master bedroom. Downstairs, on the ground floor, you get the second of the two large living rooms in the house. Now this room can be pretty much anything. A rec room, home office, a second living room, a movie room, or possibly a kid's playroom. Finally, we wrap up in what is basically an amazing backyard, especially for a townhome. You get a place to sit down and relax. You get a shed to put on your tools, lawnmower, and whatever else, a place to garden, and even a little fire pit where you can sit around and enjoy the fire with your family. So, if you got questions about this house, the area, or even your own property, Andrew the Realtor, all my information is at the bottom of the video. Click on the link, get all the details of the listing, book a showing.